Welcome to another video, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to install this GoSund smart switch. I really like these little smart switch. They're very handy and they're very easy to install, so I'm just going to make a quick video showing you how to install these. Like I said, they're very simple. It only takes about 3 wires for this outlet to install, so I will show you those now. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this old switch right here. Alright, so we're going to do black to black. Red to white. And then white to your ground. This is just how it works in my house. Originally this was not working because I didn't have a neutral wire, but I found a way for it to work. There we go. So I'm gonna get that situated. And there we go. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go cut the power on, and we're gonna go pull up the app, which is the Smart Life app, and pair it up so we can use it with our Alexa in our smart home.